###26. What does the traveler mean by, and on the pedestal, these words appear? A. The king is still honored. B. The words are engraved on the statue. C. The king's power is still intact. D. The words are a warning to others. Answer. B. The words are engraved on the statue. ###27. How does Shelley use the perspective of the traveler in Ozymandias? A. To highlight the ongoing glory of Ozymandias' empire. B. To create a contrast between the past and the present. C. To emphasize the beauty of the statue. D. To showcase the wealth of the king's empire. Answer. B. To create a contrast between the past and the present. ###28. How does Ozymandias reflect romantic ideals? A. By focusing on the magnificence of the king's reign. B. By emphasizing the power of human reason. C. By highlighting the beauty of nature and human limitations. D. By celebrating the Industrial Revolution. Answer. C. By highlighting the beauty of nature and human limitations. ###29. What does the shattered visage of the statue symbolize? A. The eternal rule of Ozymandias. B. The fragility and impermanence of human achievements. C. The king's unyielding authority. D. The king's ability to conquer the world. Answer. B. The fragility and impermanence of human achievements. ###30. What lesson can be learned from the poem Ozymandias? A. That human power is permanent. B. That all rulers will eventually fall, no matter how mighty. C. That statues endure forever. D. That power is celebrated in all ages. Answer. B. That all rulers will eventually fall, no matter how mighty. Please to see the downside, or scroll down the page. All major teachers, one good news for all. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100, join now. And we are providing all kinds of school, project, teaching aids, record, writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All kinds of government job requirement exam, the question bank at very low cost. We are providing all competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. If you worried about psychology part marks in all teachers requirement exam means, don't worry. I will give. For PGTR